Brandon, man, Tickle Fits, man. He be helping me a lot, man. I'm glad I got somebody like that, you know, in my corner, man. He pretty cool, man. Shout out to Hidalgo Films. You know what I'm saying? Him and Joshua, man. They some pretty cool cats. Some of my favorite YouTubers out there. Twitchers. Let me see. Tickle Fits and Cameroon. Yeah, them my boys. Let me see. Yeah, Fitz a real one, man. That's my boy. When and where is the King of Grudge? The King of Grudge is Friday and Saturday. Tomorrow. And they gonna be racing the motorcycles. Keep grinding, look out. That's how I found you, man, from Tickle Fits. Already. We out here. We got somebody else watching all the way from Australia. Yeah, my boy Souk Mike, he from Australia too. Y'all might know each other. You know Souk Mike? Let me see. You very informed as you keep us updated already. Yeah, the Three Breast Drag streams on Twitch and YouTube. Where at though? Damn, Foxbach has won both lanes tonight with trans fluid. Let me see. Yes, sir. We are at Yello Belly. There go the sign right there. Look out. Oh, Anonymous, you in LA? Already, man. Is that the name you chose or it just happened like that? Trick or treat in Memphis this weekend. I was gonna go there. I was thinking about going there. What I'm gonna do is tomorrow I think I'm gonna go to both tracks, y'all. Most likely the King of Grudge, they gonna start racing on motorcycles early. So I do like going up there. You know, I figured that I could go up there around, I think they started racing around 12. Well, when I was in Orlando that whole time, it seemed like they started racing. So I'm gonna go up there, and then I know most of the time drag race, they gonna have the No Prep Kings over there in Ennis, which is like 20-30 minutes away from each other. I'm gonna drive over there. You know, I'm gonna take a break. I'll probably stay live the whole time and put both events in one. Yeah, I think that'll be clear, huh? I love how social with all the people. It's funny to watch. I couldn't even catch all of it. Coming here one scene like, okay, yeah. Let me see. What else going on? So my goal was to probably try to hit Kings of Grudge from about 12 to probably about 6:37, something like that. Put in probably about 5-6 hours, something like that. I might get there later, 1, 2, ain't no telling. But hit that, and then after that leave and go to No Prep Kings. See if I can mix that crowd in one video. Try to have that charger and everything ready. Aussie gonna take over my stream. Hey man, I sure appreciate all the Australian people on here showing love, man. I like that. I sure appreciate it. Let me see what else. Yeah, so the No Prep Kings. What else? They're gonna have all them street outlaws there. I'm thinking about trying to sneak that drone up there. No Prep Kings. I'm thinking I can get a couple views, man. If I'm getting some extra cards tomorrow. I'm gonna have 500 cards. I'm gonna try to get them things passed out. Y'all. I know I can sneak that drone up in Ennis with no problem. I know I can sneak that drone up. I don't know how I'm gonna have, you know, one solid stream going, but I don't know. Yeah, I think Street Outlaws scripted racing. They probably racing for real, but they acting at the same time. Let me see. Oh, we got Iowa in the house, man. You know somebody from Iowa?
No.
Man, I had somebody call me from Iowa, talking about, yeah, man, I sure appreciate your stream, man. I like what you're doing, man. I'm 4 hours away from Chicago, 4 hours away from Minneapolis. Like, I ain't been to none. I've been to Iowa, though. My dad used to go to the Iowa 80 truck stop. I used to go up there, play the game, beat all the things. when the drone shots is the best, as for getting it later, at least they can't catch you. You already got some good shots. Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. My idea of flying the drone tomorrow without asking for permission was I was gonna be high up in the air, get all the shots from different angles, let y'all see, talk to you for a minute, and then probably when I get about 10 minutes battery life left, I was gonna start getting bold and bringing it down there. I was gonna start getting bold, bringing it closer, and seeing if I can make them confused, because they got a drone pilot too that fly drones. So they ain't gonna know if it's me or him, because I already checked his drone out and gave him a card. He got the same one I got. They ain't gonna know the difference. So I stick that thing up there, they gonna be, oh yeah, man, our drone pilots is actually getting better. Because I'll say, I think I fly at least 1 out of 10. I think I'm a good 9.5 at least, man. I might be a 10 in other people's eyes. I don't never. Jesse George saying that's me, bro. Oh, that was you, my bad. Jesse George. Oh snap, that was Jesse George, man. I was just telling y'all about the dude that would call me from Iowa. He said that was me, bro. Oh my bad. Yeah, man.
Hey, when he said once they get it started, we can go on go.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, I was looking for your ass way back there.
Man, I've been all up here chilling, man.
I see now.
I've been all up here.
Down there exercising.
I'm letting that old caprice cool down. Okay, my boy Ron Wayne say I'm a 7.5 on the drone. I guess that 10 up there. He must be watching the drone racing league or something. All right, I heard him. He on my ass. Get it out of the way. All right. All right, on this pass, y'all, I ain't gonna be so with y'all. What I'm gonna do is what I'm gonna do on this pass. Oh, let me turn this gimbal on. Okay, down. I'm gonna turn that off.
Hey, leave him alone right now. Let's go.
Let me see which way I need to put this. Okay, boom. Yeah, put that in there. Okay. Damn, look all my buttons down now. Making sure. Ah, man, I need it. It's really this gimbal, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Okay, hopefully.